What if I told you Earth has a twin? Same size, same build, same origin. But right now, it's 470 degrees Celsius. Its oceans are gone. Its skies rain acid. And it's so toxic, landing on it would crush you like a soda can. That twin is Venus. And here's the terrifying part. Earth could become it. This isn't sci-fi, it's climate physics, and the clock is ticking. What killed Venus? Venus didn't start off as a nightmare. Billions of years ago, it may have looked a lot like Earth. It had clouds, a thick atmosphere, possibly even shallow oceans. If you landed there back then, you might have thought, hey, this place could go somewhere. But Venus had a flaw. Just one. It was too close to the Sunday. Not by much, just about 30% closer than Earth. But that small difference, it changed everything. That extra sunlight hit the oceans harder. It turned water into vapor. And water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas. The more vapor in the air, the more heat it trapped, and the more ocean it boiled, the more vapor it made. A runaway loop, a slow, spiraling death sentence. As the surface heated, carbon dioxide trapped underground, frozen inside rocks began to leak out. Volcanoes exploded. The sky thickened. The atmosphere became a choking soup of carbon and heat. The oceans didn't just dry up, they vanished into the sky. Then the sun's radiation broke apart, the water molecules splitting hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen drifted into space. The oxygen, gone. Consumed by surface reactions or locked away, Venus lost its water, permanently. And with no water to trap carbon, no oceans to absorb heat, no weather to cool things down, the planet sealed itself inside an oven it couldn't escape. Temperatures soared past 470 degrees Celsius. Clouds of sulfuric acid rolled across the sky. The pressure grew 90 times stronger than Earth's, like being a kilometer underwater. And now, Venus is a ghost planet, not because it never had a chance, but because it did and lost it. It's not a sci-fi planet. It's not a myth. It's our sister, and she burned alive. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Some scientists believe Earth is already on Venus's path, just moving slower. We're releasing carbon dioxide at rates not seen in millions of years. We're melting glaciers, thawing permafrost, warming oceans. And all of this triggers feedback loops. Just like Venus, the Arctic ice melts, we lose a reflective shield that used to bounce sunlight back into space. Now, dark oceans absorb the heat and speed up the warming. Thawed permafrost? It releases methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times stronger than CO2. That's like adding rocket fuel to an already burning fire. These aren't just random side effects. They're tipping points, and once we cross them, there's no easy way back. No one's saying Earth will become exactly like Venus. Our orbit is farther. Our system's more complex. But if we push the planet hard enough, for long enough, we could trigger a climate spiral we can't control. We may not boil oceans in a century, but massive droughts, food collapse, unlivable heat zones, that's not science fiction. That's in the models. And if those feedbacks accelerate, we won't need a billion years to see it unfold. Let's be clear, Venus didn't get this way overnight. But some climate models say if we keep pushing, Earth's temperature could rise by 3, 4, even 6 degrees Celsius. That may not sound like much, but it's enough to destroy ecosystems, flood cities, and collapse food systems. And in the most extreme scenarios, we cross the line. Earth's own feedback loops take over. And suddenly, it's not about what we're doing. It's what we can't stop anymore. The good news? We're not helpless. We have time. We know what's happening. And we know what to do. We can shift to clean energy, capture carbon, cool the planet. We can change course if we act now. Venus is a tombstone in the solar system, a once promising world now dead by heat. But maybe, just maybe, Venus didn't die in vain. Maybe it's not just a planet. Maybe it's a warning. The question is, are we listening?